Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Peacock subscription error after moving Xfinity. Unable to activate after move. To quickly fix your Xfinity Peacock activation, try logging in using a private browsing window to bypass cookie errors. Then navigate directly to the Xfinity Your Subscriptions dashboard or the Xfinity Peacock activation portal to click the activation banner. The most common issues and their solutions included are: first, clearing browser data. As Xfinity's site is highly sensitive to cached data, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or activate using an incognito or private window. Use your primary Xfinity ID. Ensure you are signing in with your primary Xfinity email and password, not a secondary or restricted user account. Pre-existing subscriptions. If you have already paid standalone Peacock subscription, you must cancel it through Peacock first. Wait for your billing cycle to end and then activate the offer through Xfinity. Ghost accounts, linked account conflicts. If your Xfinity profile is linked to an old address, the system may get confused. So log into your Xfinity account settings and verify your current address is set as the default. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.